Welcome to the An English Coffee Office. Today is Sunday, September 21, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Hey Alex, how's it going today?
Hey David, I'm good, thanks. How about you?
Not bad. Just need this coffee to kickstart my brain. Got a ton of emails waiting.
I feel you. I've got a big meeting to plan for later.
Oh, always busy, huh? Let's chat for a bit while the coffee brews.
Sure, I've got a few minutes. What's on your mind?
Well, I was checking the news this morning. Some interesting stuff out there.
Oh really? What caught your eye?
First, there's this big thing in international news. I saw it on the Washington Post from September 17th, 2025.
What's it about? Tell me.
It's about China and a new plan they're pushing. They call it the Global Governance Initiative.
Wait, what's that? Is it about money or rules?
Kind of both, I think. They want a fairer way for countries to work together. Not just one country making all the decisions.
That sounds important. It could change how the world does business.
Yeah, exactly. I'm wondering if it'll mess with our sales targets.
Could be. New rules might mean new ways to trade or sell.
I hope it doesn't mean more forms to fill out. I've got enough of those.
I know, right? More rules always mean more work for us.
Totally. I just want to close deals, not deal with extra hassle.
I get it. We'll need to keep an eye on how this plan moves forward.
For sure. If it's just talk, fine, but if it's real, we might feel it here.
True? It's not just about big countries, it affects small businesses too.
Yep, fingers crossed it's good for us. Hey, let's talk about something else now.
Okay, what else did you see? I'm curious.
There's this tech news I read in the New York Times from September 18, 2025. It's pretty cool.
Oh, tech stuff? What's the story?
It's about AI, artificial intelligence. They say companies are making cheap tools for everyone to use.
Really? Like apps or programs for work?
Yeah, exactly. They're so cheap now, even small teams like ours could get them.
That's neat. But I wonder if it's safe. Can we trust these tools?
Good point. But imagine if it helps with boring tasks like data entry.
True, I'd love help with project schedules. It could save me hours.
See? I'd use it to write quick emails. I'm so slow at typing.
That's a good use. But we'd need to learn how it works first.
Yeah, maybe a quick training or something. I'm not great with new tech.
Me neither, but if it's easy, I'm in. It could make our job smoother.
Totally. I bet in a year everyone in the office will have an AI helper.
Maybe. But I hope it doesn't replace us. I like my job.
Nah, no way. It's just a tool, not a boss. We're still in charge.
I hope so. Let's see how fast this tech grows around here.
For sure. Hey, one more thing before we head back to our desks.
Yeah, what's up? I've got a little more time.
I saw this fun news on CNN from September 16, 2025. It's about entertainment.
Oh, I like that. What did they say?
They're remaking an old space movie. The classic one with spaceships and epic fights.
Wait, a remake. That sounds exciting.
Yeah, they're spending like $200 million on it. Can you believe that?
Wow, that's a huge amount. I hope it looks amazing on the big screen.
Me too. I'm thinking of taking my kids to see it if it's okay for them.
That's a nice plan. I might go too, just to feel like a kid again.
Haha. Right? Those old movies were the best back in the day.
They really were. I still remember watching the first one with my family.
Same here. It's like a piece of our childhood coming back.
Exactly. Do they say when it's coming out?
Not yet, just that they're working on it. I'll keep an eye out for the date.
Cool, let me know. I'd love to plan a movie night for it.
Deal. Hey, I think my coffee's gone cold already.
Mine too. We've been chatting for a while.
Yeah, time flies. I better get back to my desk now.
Same here. I've got to prep for that meeting soon.
All right, catch you later then. Maybe at lunch.
Sounds good. Have a great morning, David.
Thanks, you too, Alex. Take it easy.
Will do. See you later.
Bye for now.
Bye.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.